How to get Budokai Tenkaichi 3 on PC or laptop. Now in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can play and install and download Shin Budokai Tenkaichi 3 on your PC or laptop. So everybody knows that this specific game is only supported via PlayStation 2 or any type of console. If you would like to play this using your PC or laptop, then you're going to have to use an emulator. Now, the most reliable emulator up there is PCSX2. Open up your available web browser and then go into pcx2.net. Now from here, go into download, and then in this blue highlighted link, click that, and this is where you can download the whole installer. If you're going to be downloading it via your Mac, then this is going to be your link. For Windows, you can choose either between these two. Once you've downloaded it, just simply install it as usual, and then you're going to need the ISO file of Shin Budokai Tenkaichi. Just go into emoparadise.me, and then from here just go into the search box and then type in Budokai Tenkaichi 3 and choose the first one. Now just choose on either of these options. These are all the same. Click that so that you can get the download link. So this is going to be the direct link for the ISO file of the game. Download this and it will automatically link into the PCSX2 emulator. And that is how you get Budokai Tenkaichi 3 on PC or laptop.